today I am going to teach you how to do a slip stitch in crochet. So what I've done to prepare for this is I've done a couple of rows, I think it's 5 of single crochet. And now I'm going to do the slip stitch right along that top part. A lot of times this is how you'll finish a piece off because it kind of has a nice look to it. So this is how you're going to do it. I've already got the turning chain right here. I'm going to skip that and I'll go in the first stitch. And I'm going to put the yarn over my hook. So I'll yarn over, pull it through, and then I'll also pull it through the loop that's on my hook. So you pull it through the stitch and the loop on your hook. So I'm going to do that again. Yarn over, pull it through the stitch and the loop on my hook. Do it again, go through the stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, and pull it through the other loop. Go through the stitch, pull it through the other loop. And so I'm just going to kind of continue my way down here so that you can see and practice with me how it's done. As you get good at this, it becomes no big deal, but a lot of that is muscle memory. Okay, so now if you look here, the other side, you can't see that slip stitch, but you can see it really well here. And it looks nice. It looks like a nice finished edge. You can see all the little V's from your stitches. And so a lot of times that's what you're going to want to do, like around the edge of a hood or the edge of a blanket. The only thing that you really need to watch out for with that slip stitch is you don't want to do it too tight, because if you do it too tight, it's not as pliable as some of the other stitches just because of the way it's done. And so you might end up really cinching down the edge of whatever project that you're doing. So just kind of be aware of that and be careful on your tension. And if you have any questions, go ahead and let us know.